This is Sam. Sam just put $2,000 on his credit card. New laptop, a repair bill, doesn't matter. $2,000. Now his first statement arrives, and there's a friendly little number in the corner, the minimum payment, $60. And Sam thinks what almost everyone thinks. $60? That's easy. I'll just pay that. So he does, every single month, never late, never misses one. Textbook responsible customer. Here's the question. This video answers, how long until Sam is free? 12 years. And the $2,000 laptop? It will cost him $4,887. Stay with me, because once you see why, drawn out, step by step, you will never look at that friendly little number the same way again. First, let's expose what the minimum payment actually is, because the name is doing a lot of work. It sounds like a helpful suggestion, a safety net. It's neither. It's a formula, and here's the most common version: the interest you owe that month, plus just 1% of your debt. Read that again. The bank is asking you to cover their profit in full and shave off one tiny sliver of what you actually owe. Watch Sam's first payment. $60 leaves his pocket. 40 of those dollars are pure interest. They vanish into the bank and touch his debt not at all. Only $20, 1/3 of his payment, actually shrinks what he owes. So Sam isn't paying off a debt. He's pushing a boulder up a hill that grows underneath him, and the bank designed the slope. And if you're thinking, okay, but $20 a month still gets there eventually, you're right, it does. Eventually is the trap. Let me show you the timeline. Year 1. Sam pays his minimum 12 times. Total out of pocket, $682. His debt after a full year of perfect payments, $1,773. He paid nearly $700, and his debt went down by $227. That's the leak. Most of his money isn't filling the bucket, it's spraying out the side. Now the number that should genuinely make you angry. Year 5. Sam has now handed over $2,717. Pause on that. He has already paid more than the entire original purchase. The laptop is paid for, and a half more on top. So he's done, right? He still owes $1,094. 5 years of flawless payments. Paid the debt 1.3 times over. Still owes 55% of it. That is not a payment plan. That is a subscription, where the product is your own debt. And here's the twisted part. The part almost nobody catches. The system is designed to get slower the longer you're in it. That's next. Remember the formula? 1% of your balance. Your balance is shrinking. So, the minimum shrinks with it. Month 1, the card asks for $60. A few years in, it's asking for $40, then $30, then $25, and this feels like good news. The bill gets smaller, easier, but look at what's actually happening. As the payment shrinks, the slice that touches your debt shrinks too. The bank is gently turning your treadmill down, not to help you, to keep you walking for as long as physically possible. Want proof it's the shrinkage, not the $60? That's the trap. Run the twin experiment. Sam's twin does one thing differently. When the card says you can pay less now, he ignores it. He pays the original $60 every month, flat, forever. The twin is debt-free in under 5 years, paying $1,300 in interest. Sam takes 12 years and pays $2,900. Same starting debt, same interest rate, same first payment. The only difference is that Sam let the minimum shrink. That one polite suggestion, you may pay less, cost him 7 extra years and $1,500. The minimum payment isn't a safety net. It's a lure. It's priced at exactly the level that keeps you comfortable, compliant, and paying. Now, a quick architecture lesson. Because this channel is about how the machine is built. Is this a scam? No. Every number is disclosed, right there on your statement. It's something more interesting, a system that's perfectly legal and perfectly engineered around one fact about human beings. When we see a bill, we anchor on the smallest number on the page. Psychologists call it anchoring. Card issuers call it a business model. The minimum payment exists because revolving debt, people who carry a balance month to month, is where credit card companies make the bulk of their interest income. Sam paying for 12 years isn't a failure of the system. Sam paying for 12 years is the system. Fun fact, Regulators know this so well that in many countries, your statement is legally required to include a little box showing how long minimum payments will take. It's usually the most honest sentence on the page. Almost nobody reads it. You now will. So, how does Sam actually get out? 3 moves in order of power. Move 1, the free one. Freeze your payment. Whatever your minimum is this month, lock it in and pay that same amount every month, even as the card asks for less. You already saw what this does. It's the twin experiment. Same monthly cost you're already surviving today. 7 years faster, roughly $1,500 cheaper. This is the highest value zero effort move in personal finance. Move 2, if you can find $40 more a month. $100 flat wipes Sam's entire debt in 26 months. 2 years and change instead of 12. Total interest, $580 instead of $2,900. Every extra dollar above the minimum goes 100% to the debt itself, past the leak, straight into the bucket. Move 3 on while you're paying it down, stop feeding the balance. New purchases on a card you're carrying a balance on usually start collecting interest immediately. There's no grace period when you revolve. Paying down a debt you're simultaneously adding to is pushing the boulder up a hill you're actively making taller. That's it. No side hustle required, no financial guru, no secret. Just refusing the one polite suggestion the system was counting on you to accept. Quick recap, because these 3 numbers are the whole video. $2,000 of debt. Minimum payments only. $4,887 paid over 12 years. A flat $100 a month. $2,580 done in 26 months. The difference, $2,300 and a decade of your life, is one decision about one number on one piece of paper. If minimum payments are the slow leak, a missed payment is the burst pipe. It can knock 100 points off your credit score in 1 month, and I've broken down exactly why right here. And if you want one piece of the money machine drawn out like this every single week, subscribe. It's free, unlike Sam's laptop.